I'm Yurin, and today I'm going to talk about this brand from CELIMAX. It is actually a very popular Korean brand at the moment in the skincare community. My friend talked about them like so much that I'm really excited to try this. So thank you to StyleKorean for sending me this box. So here is the box, and they are brand based on honesty. And they do not contain any essential oil, no synthetic coloring, and also no added fragrance. Okay, so here it is. So a cosmetic do not make miracles, but they will give you an honest promise of better skin. So I really like this principle of honesty that now Korean brands are actually making a lot of products catered to their consumer instead of marketing it to them to tell them what they actually need. So here is the cream. This cream is like, I heard it's really good for a dry skin and also hydration. This one is the sample toner, and very generous. It's like 3 ml actually. Yeah, you actually get to test it actually for a week. Here is a small card detail about the product. Yep, part of it. Here's the sheet mask. This sheet mask I heard is like really great. You can actually see results even from a one-time using, and it is actually even for sensitive skin. So yeah, can't wait to try this. Okay, here is the ampoule. I'm actually really excited to try this ampoule. I heard it's like really hydrating and actually very soothing, and because it's like for soothing, anti-aging for sensitive line. Here is actually the toner, and which is also actually good for like acne prone skin. Because I looked into the ingredient and I realized that it's actually suitable for a acne prone, sensitive, and even for anti-aging, just like my skin. Alright, I'll talk more about the products in details next month. 因为我不知道下一辈子还是否能遇见你